120. That's very confident. How much written? I don't trust you people at all. You people are smiling too much when you're saying yes. I have no faith in you at all. Any which way, I don't know whether you've written or not today's reflective essays. I'll just come to this in a minute. Before that, are you people understanding? Are you getting the hang of how to write an essay? Have you understood what the broad structure is? Very good. That's why I say I don't trust you. Because you people are saying that you've understood how to write an essay, you've understood how to structure it. You think that you're getting 110, 120. Unfortunately, I might be smiling right now when I'm saying this, but unfortunately, I have seen about 7 or 8 essay scripts yesterday. All 7, 8 of these students, two major problems. Number one, the content that they are choosing, the selection of their content is very bad, is not good at all. And number two, it is very evident from what you people are writing that you've not put in the right effort, the required amount of effort. There are some students who finish off the essay in as less as 700, 750 words. In 7 to 8 pages, they finish off whatever they wanted to write. A paragraph is literally this much. I've typed this much to explain 3 points to you. They're literally writing just this much. Paragraph is over. Now I'm going to the next one. At the end, I told you that you should reinforce the topic by putting it at the end of the paragraph, but that does not mean that you put it only at the end. You also have to correlate it with whatever you're writing in the paragraph and what the topic is saying. If you people have written your essay, then you learn something next Wednesday when we discuss that paper. If you've not written the essay, I would strongly advise you. Today, the class hopefully should get over at 1:30, 2 o'clock. In the afternoon today, please sit down. Half a day, give your essay, especially students who are writing their mains. Don't come tomorrow morning and say that, sir, I've not written the essay. Can I write it right now? It will not be possible to evaluate. Spend half a day, and in that half a day, write an essay where you believe that the person cannot cut your marks. There are so many question marks. I've started taking photographs already, scanning some of them. I'll show you what these students are writing and what are the huge blunders that they're making. Fortunately, and that's why the first 3 classes that we have, we keep it on media, healthcare, science and tech and all that, because these kind of essay topics have become less frequent in the recent years. At least you people understand the broad structure of an essay. Today's class, the class that comes next Sunday and the class that comes the Wednesday after that, whatever the dates are, I don't remember. Reflective 1, Reflective 2, and Writing Ability. The next 3 classes that are coming up. These 3 classes, inside the class, you'll have to write non-stop along with me. If required, I will increase the length of the class to 3 hours, to 4 hours, to 5 hours, unless and until you people write paragraphs that make sense. There's a huge, I don't know for what reason, I think primarily it was that selection. Because when you're writing in the, I don't know these online students, these offline students over here at least, I've seen your paragraphs, they seem to make sense. But at least these 5, 7, 8 scripts that I saw yesterday, there was no coherence in what they were writing. Which is why today, this class and these next 2 classes that are coming up, understand them carefully, because there's a very high probability that most of your topics will come from this segment here. Reflective essays, abstract essays, philosophical essays. Now to understand this, everyone's got the handout over here for this one. Very simple, very easy handout. One moment. Sir, I cannot find the question paper. You still cannot find the question paper. People have finished that. We've checked also. Question paper is under where is it? Mains test or something. Mains test, you will find it over there. All right. Now, reflective essays, philosophical essays are the easiest kind of essays to write once you have the right content and once you have the right approach. Now here, what will you keep in mind? Just 3 things to begin with. Number 1, in reflective essays, more than any other part, other places also we say there are interlinkages. In this part, there are very strong interlinkages between concerns, recommendations and examples. Sitting in the exam hall, if you cannot remember something or if you remember some other example, don't bother about which value they're given under. Use them interchangeably as long as they are relevant.